Hey everyone, welcome back to Boulevard.com. I am Dan, the wheelchair van man, and today we're going to go through a manual override procedure on either your Bruno Valet Plus seat or your BraunAbility Evo seat. Dealer, an enclosed packet that was giving you a ratchet wrench as well as an adapter. My manual override with the square end going into the right side. And now as we start to manually turn this, we're going to focus on our rotation. At the front of the seat, as you look in here, you'll see there's this yellow tab. This is going to be the gear that locks for our rotation motor. If I go ahead and pull this out, and I pull this all the way forward, we're going to insert our adapter. We're going to use our handle to bring this back so that we can get the clearance then for our seat to rotate in. Check out blvd.com where you can find dealers nearest you that offer 24/7 emergency service.